What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator, streamer, or podcaster looking to take your audio setup to the next level, the Elgato XLR Dock for the Stream Deck Plus is here to revolutionize your workflow. Today, we're diving into an unboxing, setup, and everything you need to know about this game-changing device. Let's get started. The first thing you notice is Elgato's minimal packaging. We've got a relatively plain cardboard box, nothing extravagant, no color printed artwork on the box. And once we get it open, notice a nice little touch. Greatness starts now. A guidebook, you notice the dock itself is wrapped in some brown tissue paper. Again, an indication they're really trying to reduce packaging materials and plastics with this device. Right away, I'm impressed by how light the device is, yet that doesn't take away from its premium build and what feels like quality construction. It's really interesting how this device perfectly complements the footprint of the Stream Deck Plus. Alright, so let's get this hooked up. With Elgato's decision to release the XLR Dock and the USB hub, which extends the functionality of the already great Stream Deck Plus, it's really a testament to their commitment to streamlining. You know, many companies likely would have released a new edition, a Mark II, and raised the price significantly just to give you the same functionality. This way you can combine the Stream Deck Plus with the functionality of Elgato's Wave XLR into one compact footprint. Looking quickly through the guide, all that's required for installation, a Phillips head screwdriver, and then we should be up and running. Let's unplug and get to work. My only complaint, if you can call it one, is I love the aesthetic of white equipment on my desktop. My PC build, I've got an audio mixer, and of course I chose the white Stream Deck Plus. Elgato has not yet released a white colorway for the XLR Dock. A minor nitpick, not a big deal, just something that would have been nice. Perhaps once they gauge the successfulness of this device, we may see some alternative colorways. I noticed the bottom appears to be weighted. You know, that makes sense to keep the device from sliding around, but it's almost like a piece of metal was placed inside. Kind of adds to a bit of the premium feel. It serves the purpose of anchoring. The XLR Dock does feel slightly lighter in my hand. And just like that, we're connected. We'll secure things with the screws. And truly, setting up this dock couldn't be easier. Plug it in, connect the screws, plug in our microphone USB, and we're up and running. And the integration between the XLR software and the Stream Deck is seamless. With the XLR Dock, you get full control over your audio. You can adjust gain, tweak EQ settings, and apply filters directly through the Stream Deck Plus touchscreen. No need for additional software or external devices. For me, this is clutch. I'm always looking to consolidate, to limit the amount of buttons I need to press, so it's great. It features professional grade preamps for crystal clear audio, phantom power for condenser mics, and real-time monitoring, 0 latency. We'll just reboot the system and get started. So, is the Elgato XLR Dock for Stream Deck Plus worth it? I'd say absolutely. It's perfect for anyone serious about audio quality and control. If you're ready to upgrade your setup, check out the XLR Dock. Consider bundling it with the Stream Deck Plus for a bit of savings. Have you been using the XLR Dock? Let us know in the comments. Do you want to see a follow-up video about sound configurations? Let us know. With that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. We'll see you next time.